Welcome to my video. Today, we will explore step by step how to install Python on your computer. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to set up Python for development, this guide will help you get Python running smoothly on your system. We will cover both Windows and Mac installations, and I will also guide you through verifying your installation so that you can start coding without any issues. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world today. It is used for web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, and more. Installing Python is the first step to unlocking all these opportunities. The installation process is straightforward, but following the correct steps ensures your system is properly configured. First, visit the official Python website. The official website is python.org. Navigate to the download section and you will see options for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For most users, the latest stable version is recommended. Do not download unofficial versions as this may contain errors or security risks. After selecting the version suitable for your operating system, begin downloading the installer. Once the download completes, run the installer. On Windows, you will see a checkbox that says Add Python to Path. It is crucial to check this box. Adding Python to Path ensures that you can run Python from the command line without additional configuration. Next, choose the installation type. You can select Install Now for a standard setup or customized installation if you want to adjust advanced options such as installation location or additional features. The standard installation works for most users and includes everything necessary to start programming in Python. After initiating the installation, wait for the process to complete. Once done, you will see a confirmation screen. To ensure Python is installed correctly, open your command prompt or terminal. Type Python, then --version and press enter. This command displays the version of Python installed. If you see a version number, congratulations, Python is successfully installed on your system. On Mac, the installation process is slightly different, but just as simple. Download the latest Mac installer from python.org. Run the downloaded package and follow the on-screen instructions. Mac users do not need to worry about the path setting in most cases, as Python's installer automatically handles it. Once installed, open the terminal and type Python 3. That is Python, then 3, a figure, not in words. Then --version to confirm the installation. At this stage, if this video is educative, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you not miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Once Python is installed, it is also important to install pip, that is PIP, Python's package manager. Pip allows you to easily install additional Python libraries and packages, which are essential for web development, data analysis, or machine learning. Most modern Python installers already include pip to check type. To check type pip, that is pip, then double dash version in the terminal or command prompt. If it shows a version, pip is ready to use. Finally, to begin coding, you can use the built-in IDLE editor. Finally, to begin coding, you can use the built-in IDLE editor that comes with Python, or download other popular editors such as Visual Studio Code, then a PyCharm or Sublime Text. Each editor has its advantages, but Visual Studio Code is widely recommended due to its versatility, extensions, and user-friendly interface. Python installation opens up many possibilities, from building simple scripts to developing complex software. Python's versatility makes it a powerful tool for beginners and professionals alike. Make sure to explore tutorials, practice coding, and stay consistent with learning Python to make the most of your installation. In conclusion, installing Python on your computer is simple, but following the correct steps ensures smooth setup. By downloading from the official source, adding Python to path, verifying the installation, and setting up a code editor, you can start your Python journey with confidence. I believe you have understood how to install Python on your computer. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Endeavor to watch my other videos also to learn more. Thank you very much for watching. Bye until my next video.